Do you ever wonder how some YouTubers are making $1,000 a day without even showing their face? There's a secret strategy behind creating viral videos that most people overlook. Well, stick around because today we're diving into the world of faceless viral videos. And guess what? We're going global, using multiple languages to maximize our reach. You are not going to want to miss this. So let's get started. Welcome to Brain and Bank. I'm your host, John. The potential to earn $1,000 a day through viral videos is not just a dream anymore. It's a reality for those who leverage the power of AI in content creation. By utilizing AI algorithm to analyze trending topics and audience preference, you can consistently produce high-quality, engaging videos that have the potential to go viral and generate significant ad revenue. One of the key advantages of using AI technology in generating viral content is its ability to quickly identify emerging trends and optimize video performance. AI can analyze vast amounts of data to determine what type of content resonates with viewers, allowing you to tailor your videos for maximum impact and engagement. First, let's talk about why you should make videos in different languages. Think about this. There are millions of people around the world who speak English, Hindi, and Spanish. By creating videos in these languages, you can reach a much larger audience. For example, if you only make videos in English, you are only reaching English speakers. But if you make the same video in English, Hindi, Arabic, Mandarin, and Spanish, you are reaching millions more people. This means more potential views, more subscribers, and more money from ads. It's like opening your store in 5 different cities instead of just one. You may be wondering why these languages. Research shows that English is the world's most spoken language. Mandarin is a language for most native Chinese speakers, and the population of China as of 2023 is 1.409 billion. On the other hand, Hindi is the third most spoken language in the world. Spanish has second most native speakers, and French is the official language of 29 countries. Now, how do we make videos in multiple languages without spending a lot of money? That's where AI comes in. AI can help you dub your videos in different languages quickly and cheaply. This way, you don't need to hire expensive translators or voice-over actors. The AI can do it for you, saving you both time and money. When it comes to creating a successful faceless YouTube channel focused on viral videos, selecting the right niche is crucial. To resonate with a wide audience and have a potential to go viral across different cultures, it's essential to choose a niche that is not only trending, but also culturally relevant and appealing to a broad range of viewers. To start, research trending topics and viral content in various regions to identify themes that have the potential to capture the attention of global audience. By staying informed about what is popular and engaging in different parts of the world, you can tailor your content to cater to diverse viewers and increase the likelihood of your videos going viral. When choosing a niche, it's important to consider cultural sensitivities and preference to ensure that your content is well received by viewers from different backgrounds. By being mindful of cultural nuances and avoiding topics that may be controversial or offensive, you can create content that resonates with diverse audience and foster a positive connection with your viewers. To maximize your viewership and engagement, it's crucial to select a niche that has a broad appeal. Look for topics that have universal themes or interests that transcend cultural boundaries, allowing your content to attract a wide range of viewers from around the world. By carefully selecting a niche that resonates with a wide audience, considers cultural sensitivities, and has a broad appeal, you can set your Faceless YouTube channel up for success and increase the likelihood of your video going viral across different cultures. Now let's move on to finding viral videos. Viral videos are the ones that get millions of views quickly. These are the types of videos you want to create because they attract a lot of attention. Well, how do you find these viral videos? Here's a simple trick. Go to YouTube and search for videos with over 1 million views in your niche. Let's say you're interested in making inspirational videos. Search for inspirational videos and sort the results by view count. Look at the videos that have the most views and study them. Pay attention to the titles, thumbnails, and content of these videos. What makes them stand out? Why do people watch them? Take notes and think about how you can create something similar, but with your unique twist. Once you've found some viral videos, it's time to recreate them. But remember, you can't copy them exactly as they are. That's not allowed. And it's not fair to the original creators. Instead, you need to make the content your own. Start by using the YouTube transcript feature to get the script of the video. This will give you a written version of what is being said in the video. Next, use ChatGPT to paraphrase and summarize the content. This means changing the words and phrases while keeping the main ideas the same. For example, if the original video talks about overcoming fear, you can change it to how to be brave. You can also add your own insights and examples to make it more unique. This way, you are not just copying the video, you are adding your own value and perspective to it. Now let's talk about creating the videos using AI tools. One of the best tools out there is InVideo AI. It's an amazing tool because it allows you to create publish-ready videos using just text prompts. Let me talk you through the process. First, you generate a script. Use ChatGPT to generate a script based on your paraphrased content. Make sure the script is engaging and informative. It should be something that keeps the viewer interested from the start to finish. Secondly, clone your voice. Clone your voice using InVideo AI. This means recording your voice and letting the AI learn it. Once it's done, the AI can create voiceovers that sounds just like you. This is great because it adds a personal touch to your videos without you having to record every single one. Thirdly, create the video. Now input the script you generated from ChatGPT into InVideo AI. The AI will use your script to create a video, adding relevant stock footage, images, and animations. InVideo AI has access to millions of royalty-free stock footages, so you will always have high-quality visuals for your videos. The fourth and final step is to add some background music and subtitles to your video. Background music makes your video more engaging, and subtitles makes it accessible to people who are hard of hearing or who prefer to watch without sound. With InVideo AI, you can easily edit and enhance your videos. You can replace stock footage, add calls to action, and adjust the video. This is important because you want your videos to look professional and engaging. In-video AI also has new better features that help with multilingual support and video customization. This means you can create videos in different languages more easily and make them look unique. You might be wondering about the cost. In-video AI starts at $20 per month. This is a great deal because it includes access to millions of stock videos, voiceovers, and music. Plus, you can use a special code to get extra video generation credits. This means you can make even more videos without spending more money. To cultivate a loyal following and enhance audience engagement on your Faceless YouTube channel, it is essential to implement strategies that resonate with viewers across different languages, demographics. By encouraging viewers interaction, providing subtitles or translations, and creating sense of community through live streams and Q&A sessions, you can foster a strong connection with your audience and build a dedicated fan base that transcends language barriers. One effective way to boost audience engagement is to actively encourage viewer interaction through comments, polls, and challenges. Encourage your viewers to share their thoughts, opinions, and feedback on your videos, and consider incorporating interactive elements such as polls or challenges to encourage participation and create a sense of community among your audience. Additionally, creating a sense of community is key to building a loyal following on YouTube channel. Consider hosting a live stream, Q&A sessions, or virtual meetups to connect with your audience in real time, answer their questions, and foster a sense of belonging among your viewers. By engaging directly with your audience and making them feel like valued members of your community, you can strengthen their loyalty and encourage them to become active participants in your channel's growth. To make money from your videos, you need to be consistent. This means posting several videos each week. YouTube rewards consistency because it keeps viewers coming back to your channel. Once you start getting views, you can apply for YouTube's partner program. This allows you to earn money from ads shown on your videos. Here's an example calculation. If you get 100,000 views a day and YouTube pays you $10 for every 1,000 views, you can earn $1,000 a day. That's a lot of money just for making videos. But remember, consistency is key. The more videos you post, the more chances you have to go viral. And the more viral videos you have, the more money you can make. Other ways you can make money through your videos are affiliate marketing opportunities and collaborating with brands for sponsored content. You can unlock multiple revenue streams and increase your overall profitability. Collaborating with brands for sponsored content can be a lucrative way to increase your earnings from your viral videos. By partnering with brands that resonate with your audience and integrating sponsored products or messages into your videos in a seamless and authentic way, you can generate additional income while providing value to both your viewers and the brands you collaborate with. By exploring various monetization methods such as ad revenue, affiliate marketing, and sponsored content collaborations, you can capitalize on the success of your viral videos and generate multiple revenue streams to maximize your earnings from your Faceless YouTube channel. So why not start using AI to create awesome videos and make money? It's easier than you think. and the potential earnings are huge. Remember to be consistent and always add value to your content. Check out the links in the description to start with in-video AI. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips.